Hey y'all, good morning. So I just threw those tacos in the oven. Super pumped for those. We haven't had those in a long time, but they're really good. And we had some corn tortillas that needed to be used up. So it's gonna be perfection. We just did eggs, turkey sausage, spinach, and a little bit of cheese. Super simple to throw together. And they'll probably cook around 8 minutes. Just until, I'm gonna check them, just until the corn tortillas are nice and crispy. So super simple breakfast this morning. I'm gonna get a little bit of meal prep done today as well, so I'll show you that. I think I'm gonna make some protein, like brownies or protein bites of some sort that I can have before or after my workouts this week. We're going back to the 5 a.m. workouts and I'm really looking forward to it. Today's Sunday, so I'll be back in the gym tomorrow. And then I think I'm also gonna prep some little breakfast burritos. Again, those will probably be post-workout, just so I don't have to come home and like cook an egg and make some toast every day. Not that that's hard, but I do have to like do the dishes, etc. So I just thought something grab and go, grab and heat up would be really easy for my mornings. So I'll make that as well. And yeah, I'm just gonna kind of bring you through my full day of eating. I'll show you the things that I'm prepping for the week, and it's gonna be a great one. So I'm gonna finish my coffee, wait for these tacos to come up, and I'll see you guys once I'm making my plate. All right, y'all, here is my plate. I'm having 2 of the tacos. I'm gonna have mine with Cholula. They look amazing. I said 8 minutes. They actually took more like 15 at 375. I also have this recipe on my Instagram Reels. If you want to check that out, it's there for you. Super easy. Just stuff corn tortillas with anything. Bake at 375 for like 15 minutes until they just get crispy. So delicious. This is 347 calories for both and 22 grams of protein. So we're off to a good start. I still need to track my coffee, but I'm pretty pumped about this. All right, y'all, so it's lunchtime. I haven't really done anything today. I did start a load of laundry and I got a video up, so I guess I've done a couple things, but definitely want to clean up the kitchen before I prep our brownie bites and our stuff for the week. But right now, we're getting kind of hungry again, so I'm gonna whip up some flatbreads. Let me show you what I'm gonna use. All right, so I just threw some of the Tyson buffalo chicken strips in the air fryer for about 10 minutes. And I'm using these Atoria's brand mini lavash flatbreads. I just finished off the other pack we had. These I'm gonna use for lunch this week, I think too. So I've got 4 of those lined up and I'm just gonna throw these in the oven and let them get crispy. They're nice and soft right now. So that'll only take about 5 minutes at like 375. For the sauce, if you will, we're gonna use the Laughing Cow spicy pepper jack. I'm gonna throw tomato slices on mine. I think I have another aroma, I'll pull that out too. Maybe some spinach. We also have some cheese here. I'll probably do like a buffalo and a ranch drizzle as well. right, they turned out beautiful. I'm so excited. I'm gonna dip mine in the Target Ranch yogurt ranch. I think this is like their version of Bolt House. I don't know. 60 calories per serving. I think I'm gonna have 1.5 servings. All right, y'all, I'm about to try something new. So y'all know the OG pancake bake. Haven't made it in a long time. You basically just make pancake batter, throw it in a dish and bake it. And it's a literal pancake. It's so good. So I'm gonna do that with some water, add some blueberries, and add some protein powder. So this one is from Gainful. So excited to keep working with them. I really love this company. They have great ingredients. Their protein powder is personalized to you. And they have, it comes unflavored. So then they have these little flavor packets. I'm gonna use the Madagascar vanilla. I think you could use really any flavor, or you could probably use no flavor and it would probably still be good. But I'm gonna do the vanilla just to make them nice and sweet. And this is gonna be maybe pre-gym, maybe dessert. It could be a lot of things. Pre-workout, post-workout meal, anything like that. I love the macros of this, that's in Spanish, of this pancake mix as well. So that mixed with the macros of the Gainful, which is great. 1 scoop, which is very large, is only 110 calories and it is 25 grams of protein. So we love that. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do 1 or 2 scoops. I think I'm just gonna do 1 this time since we're making like probably 6 servings total. And we're gonna dump in some blueberries. So if you wanna try out Gainful, I will leave a link for you down below, and you can get 40% off of your first month's subscription. So Gainful is a subscription service. You take a quiz, everything is catered to you. They also have pre-workout, they have collagen, which I think I'm gonna try soon. They have lots of great products and it's just on a subscription basis. So every month they send you what you need. It's super easy. So I will leave that link for you down below if you want some personalized protein or personalized supplements or anything like that. They really have it all. So definitely check out their website. I also noticed that they have a lot of recipes on their website using their protein powder. So I'm gonna try those soon, but this is the ingredients I have on hand. So let's give this a go. So 1/3 of a cup is 1 serving. I'm gonna go for 6 servings. So I'm gonna do 2 cups of the mix. Might do a little less than 2, just so we have room for that protein powder as well. Okay, that's like 1 3/4. Now I'm gonna go in with the protein. One big scoop. And then a couple cups of water. All right, so here is the blueberry bake. I'm gonna go ahead, or pancake bake, I'm gonna throw it in the oven and I'll let you guys know how long it takes. So one thing that I love about Gainful, other than they label it for you, like how freaking cute is that? Lauren's protein powder, is the little flavor packs. I love that you can always get the variety pack, and this comes with a ton of flavors. I've already used several, but they have like a chocolate one in here. That's what this dark brown one is. A matcha one, which I'm definitely excited to try, so stay tuned. I think I'm gonna try that this coming week, and I'll put it in a video. Chocolate peanut butter, all of them look so good. So you can do this to try out the flavors, but also just order this every month so you always have like one of each on hand. And then I got also the 7-pack of the strawberry cream. This is so good for smoothies. And honestly, I'm not huge on just like protein shakes with just milk and ice blended, but their flavors are so good. You can definitely do it that way too. It's not chalky at all. And another plus is that they will cater to if you're plant-based, if you're dairy-free, all of that stuff you can get from their website. So go take the quiz, figure out what they suggest for you, and you can order and get 40% off your first month. We're back from running errands. I'm not quite ready to cook dinner yet, but we're gonna try this. I'm so excited. I heated it up and just kind of let it cool. Well, I let it cool while we were gone. Then I just heated it up so I can try a bite warm. I am so excited. Look at that. It is so good. You can tell it's slightly sweeter than the regular pancake bake, but not by much. I think next time I might try 2 scoops of protein powder and see what happens, but oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this. This might just have to be weekly dessert.
This box come to you.
All right, y'all, so for dinner tonight, I'm gonna make some shrimp fried rice. So we're using this steamed jasmine rice. Leftover rice obviously is the way to go, but we don't have that. We have this, that's what we're using. Got some shrimp here that's not yet cooked, but it is thawed out. And then I'm gonna use probably about half of this bag of mixed veggies. Also gonna use some soy sauce, garlic powder, etc. But I'm gonna start with the vegetables here in the pan and go ahead and cook the rice in the microwave. And we'll add the shrimp last, maybe some Old Bay or something. What do you think? Do you add Old Bay to shrimp fried rice? No? Okay, never mind. No Old Bay. All right, y'all. Outfit change because we ran errands, but soy sauce. Do I need to add anything else? Okay, I don't think so either. Just like seasoning.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use just the light or whatever, low sodium, less sodium soy sauce, and probably like garlic powder, onion powder. But we're gonna go ahead and start with the veggies. All right, so I'm gonna add in some garlic powder. I'm gonna use a little bit of this ginger. All right, so the veggies are pretty much cooked. I'm going to dump in the shrimp. All right, y'all, also I'm gonna do some eggs in here. I didn't have that in the original plan, but I think that's gonna be really good. These are healthy eggs. So we're doing 2 bags of rice. You could do a bag of rice and a bag of cauliflower rice if you wanted. All right, y'all, so we just finished the fried rice. That took like 15 minutes.
Yeah, at the most.
At the most. And it tastes so good.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
I'm so
It's just
excited.
like at a hibachi place. Or
Yeah, and it was so easy. How many ingredients did we use? Rice, mixed vegetables, shrimp, and eggs, and then like soy sauce. 5 ingredient meal, 15 minutes. You cannot go wrong. You can also do this all cauliflower rice or half cauliflower rice, half real rice, whatever you want to do. It's delicious. I'm ready to eat. I don't know about you. We're gonna eat now. All right, y'all, I think I'm gonna call it a night. It's already 9:10. I'm obsessed with that shrimp fried rice. I could have eaten the whole bowl, literally 10 out of 10. would make that again. Want to make that for like meal prep maybe with cauliflower rice, because Morgan doesn't really do the cauliflower rice thing. It's delicious. You seriously can't miss with that one. Definitely give that a try. Also, the protein pancake bake. Are you kidding me? It is so good. Next time I'll definitely use 2 scoops of protein, so I will keep you updated on how that goes. But it was delicious, and if you want to try out Gainful, I do have a link down for you in my description box that will get you 40% off your first month subscription with Gainful. I plan to order their collagen next, so I'll keep you updated on that. And honestly, I'm about to go to bed. I've been watching a lot of YouTube tonight, a lot of Nicole Burgess. I'm obsessed with her. She gives me the best workout motivation and really good grocery hauls. Sorry, Morgan's playing this game. Best workout motivation and really good grocery hauls. Also, a new find is Teresa Kettler. I love her. Again, great workout motivation. She's just good vibes all around, healthy meals, cleaning motivation. Like, her vlogs just have it all. I am loving it. And workout motivation, like, girlfriend has it going on. I love her. Cute workout outfits, all of it. And of course, Sydney Adams, still obsessed with her. So I'll link those 3 for you down below. That's who I've been watching today. And thank you so much for watching. I will see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I have a lot of fun videos coming up. Another what eat in a week. Weeks 2 and 3 of me waking up at 5 a.m. and working out. You guys, I'm loving it. So stay tuned for those updates. I'm also going to have some workout footage in there too. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.